Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to convert time in the test format to duration like 1 day, hours, minutes and seconds. Okay, days, hours, minutes and seconds. So here time is given in test format. We have to convert into standard time format. Okay guys. So let's see how to do it. So let's add a column. Okay, then extract just before delimiter. So delimiter is colon here. Okay. And similarly add test after delimiter. Okay. So this is my delimiter. So test after delimiter also we got. Okay. Now convert into whole numbers. Okay. Then what we have to do is like you have to write a custom column. Okay. And paste this code here. Okay. This hash duration. This is okay 0 and test before delimiter, test after delimiter and 0. Okay, so this will convert the time to days, days, hours, minutes and seconds. Okay guys, let's see this. Yeah, so for example if you see here, right, 63, for example 63, if you take 2 hours 15 minutes 5 seconds, okay, and this is milliseconds is 0. For example if you see this 3553, okay, 1 day 11 hours 53 seconds. Okay, like this it will convert the time in test format into standard days, hours, minutes and seconds and milliseconds format. Okay guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi tutorials for more such amazing power query videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.